Hey everyone, this is Steven with Digital Marketing in a Flash, coming to you with yet another video. Today we're going to talk about a really cool way to find keywords, and it is with a Chrome extension called Keywords Everywhere. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Google extension store. We're going to download the extension. It's on. And how you use Keyword Anywhere. Let's say that we want to search for real estate. What it does is actually gives a trend of keywords on the right hand of the screen. It also shows related keywords. It talks about other keywords that people search for before in the past, and also gives you a couple examples of some long tail keywords right on your Google page. This is easy and convenient, and it works for about any search term that you use in the Google interface, which makes it extremely easy and efficient to be able to search for new keywords, not only for your blogs or for your website, but also if you're running an agency and you're looking for competitive information to help your customers rank higher, or you're helping with the SEO, Keywords Anywhere does a fantastic job of providing you a long list of keywords to use for your services. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, or leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date on our latest tutorials. That's it for now. Have a great day.